spread over 34 acres in the heart of India. Bhopal, with state-of-the-art infrastructure and a world of opportunities. SAM Global University, the perfect place for innovative academic environment, enhanced by vibrant campus life. Established by Central India's fastest growing education group, SAM Group. With the legacy of 60 years in education, we are way beyond the place where you can just get a degree. Imparting innovative education, bringing the best out of students to prepare them for future challenges. Why SAM? World-class infrastructure. Earn while learn. Sports club. Students club. Well-stocked library. Incubation center. Corporate training. Internship programs. Placement support. Constantly stay ahead in the rapidly changing time by collaborating with national and international industries and educational institutes. Our recruiters. We organize national level online test, Genius, to acknowledge and reward the genius present inside each student. Our community and co-curricular opportunities create a diverse, supportive, vibrant and unforgettable student experience. DJ night. Celebrities are consistent and sincere efforts to establish harmony of today's skills with tomorrow's demands make us recognized by others. Join SAM Global University